Hello everyone, welcome to Go2 channel. Today we will learn about calculating the running time of any Python algorithm. Like for example, if you want to know like for how many seconds or for how many hours your program was running, then you can do that very easily by using these steps. Okay, so the main aim of this tutorial is calculating running time of program. So here I'm not going to tell you like the different methods like related to algorithm, and we are not calculating the running time of algorithm. Okay, so we are just checking like for how much amount of time the program was running, basic thing. Okay, so for that what you need to do is, first of all, you need to import a module which is known as Datetime. Okay, so this Datetime module, I'll also create a separate tutorial on Datetime module. It's also very important to learn this Datetime module. So just import this Datetime module. From Datetime we need Datetime. Okay, so this is we are going to import. Then after importing this, we need to know the current time, like at what time your program will start running. Okay, so that thing you can capture by using this datetime.now. So this now will return the current time and date. Okay, so I am storing the result in the variable start. Okay, and then just print the start of the time. Here I have written a small function for addition of two numbers just to calculate like how much time will it take to run this code. Okay, so that's why I have just written a small function here, a small code here. Okay, so after printing the value of C, we want to know like how much time this program took to calculate the addition of two numbers, and finally we will print the running time of program. How we will do that? By again calculating the current time minus the start time. So we will after executing this command print C, we will again calculate the current time. Current time we can calculate with the help of datetime.now, minus we will calculate the time which we calculated when we started the program. Okay, so minus start. So this subtraction will give us the amount of time the program took to get the results. Okay, so this is the initial time. Okay, then this is the program result, like addition of two number is 8, and then this is the amount of time our program took. So it took some fraction of seconds. Okay, this is some fraction of seconds. So what this date time returns us, datetime.now returns us, it returns us the date, then it returns hour, minutes and seconds. Okay, so this is the time minus the current time. So this is the minus, after subtracting, this is the time we are getting. So it took some fractions of seconds to calculate the addition. Similarly, now what I have done here, instead of writing these many steps, I will just replace it with the small step which is print 5 plus 3. So why we need to calculate the Python running time? Because for example, if you have written a complex program which is taking hours to execute, then you can modify your program and you can cut down the time. Okay, so for that purpose we need to always include these two parameters to know like the performance of your program. So that's why, to improve the performance of program, I have just replaced these many lines with just one line which is print 5 plus 3, and see the time has also reduced. It has not reduced very significantly, but yeah, it has reduced. Okay, so this is how you can use this Datetime module to calculate the Python running time for any program. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video.